Welcome to our channel.
Ireland is known for its beautiful landscapes, rich history, and welcoming people. To make the most of your trip, here are some essential do's and don'ts to ensure you experience the best of Irish culture and hospitality. Do's: be social and up for a laugh. The Irish love a good chat and a bit of humor. Whether you're in Dublin, Kerry, or visiting the Blarney Stone, being open and friendly will make your experience richer. A smile and a laugh can break the ice with anyone you meet, whether a local or fellow tourist. Mind your manners. Always say please and thank you when interacting with people. Courtesy is important in Ireland, and using these simple words will go a long way in making a good impression, whether you're buying a souvenir or asking for directions. Embrace Irish etiquette at dinner. If you're lucky enough to be invited to an Irish dinner, remember to wait until everyone is seated before beginning your meal. Engage in lively chat with your dinner companions and remember to compliment the food. Irish hospitality is a point of pride. Explore the weather. Come prepared. Ireland's weather can be unpredictable, so come prepared for anything. A sunny day in Dublin can turn into a rainy afternoon in Kerry, so it's always wise to pack a rain jacket and be ready to enjoy the outdoors, rain or shine. Visit famous attractions and landmarks. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Dublin or kissing the Blarney Stone, take the time to experience Ireland's rich history and stunning natural beauty. From the scenic Ring of Kerry to the iconic cliffs of Moher, each location offers something special. Tipping at restaurants. Tipping in Ireland is appreciated but not always expected. A 10 to 15% tip is considered polite for good service, but it's often not necessary when ordering at a counter or casual dining spots. Be aware of local culture and customs. The Irish are known for their hospitality, so being respectful of local customs is key. It's always a good idea to ask questions about someone's hometown or local traditions, as Irish people are usually happy to share stories. Don'ts: avoid religion and political conversations. While the Irish are friendly and welcoming, it's best to steer clear of conversations around religion and politics. These topics can be sensitive, so it's wise to focus on more neutral subjects, like the weather, travel, or local landmarks. Don't expect leprechauns. While Ireland is rich in folklore, don't take the legends too seriously. The charming stories of leprechauns are just that, stories. Locals might appreciate your interest in Irish mythology, but avoid asking seriously about these mythical figures. Don't give a thumbs up in certain situations. While the thumbs up is generally a positive gesture worldwide, in some parts of Ireland, it may be seen as rude. It's better to simply express your appreciation verbally with a cheerful thank you or that's great. Don't skip a chat. You know, Irish people are known for being talkative and really enjoying a good chat, whether you're in a Dublin cafe or hiking in Kerry. So take the time to talk with locals, be respectful, and embrace their love of storytelling and conversation. Don't be late. While the Irish may have a relaxed lifestyle, it's still polite to be on time, especially if you're meeting someone or attending an event. Punctuality is a sign of respect and courtesy.
Avoid complaining about the weather. Yes, Irish weather can be unpredictable, but complaining about it won't win you any points. The Irish love to joke about the weather, so join in the fun and embrace the rain. It's part of the charm of visiting.
Don't ignore social cues. The Irish are polite and may not always say directly if something is bothering them. Pay attention to social cues and be mindful of respecting personal space and conversation boundaries, especially with new acquaintances. By following these do's and don'ts, you'll not only enjoy a wonderful trip to Ireland, but also gain the respect and warmth of the locals. Whether you're exploring the busy streets of Dublin or the serene countryside, being mindful and courteous will lead to an unforgettable experience.
Please like, share, and subscribe.